Welcome back. In this video, I wanted to go over EFS or Elastic File System. Now, what is the Elastic File System? Well, EFS is a fully managed serverless service that provides a network file system or NFS file share system for Linux instances. Now, why is this useful? Well, this is useful because we can share files with hundreds of EC2 instances simultaneously, so that everyone in your company has access to necessary files to do their job. EFS also works across availability zones and can even share files to your on-premise workloads. You would use EFS file share instead of an EBS volume when you need multiple users or EC2 instances to connect to a central location to share data. Remember that EBS volumes do not work across availability zones, so you would definitely want to use EFS instead. Now, all these features do come with a price. EFS is not only highly available and scalable, but also expensive. But you only pay for what you use. And there is also another tier of EFS called Elastic File System Infrequent Access, or EFS-IA, which is 92% cheaper than the standard version of EFS. Now, EFS-IA probably won't show up on your exam, but I wanted to share that with you. You can use EFS for big data analytic workloads, database backups, and for serving content through your web applications. But it's only available to Linux instances. It also uses the NFS protocol to share the files with these instances. And you can even share your files across VPCs using VPC peering. I hope in this video you learned a little more about EFS and its use cases. I'll see you in the next video.